We want to find the derivative of y equals 2 ln of 6 over x. All right, remember the derivative of ln of anything is 1 over the anything times the derivative of the anything, of what's inside. So the 2 is just a constant, so that just stays out front. So the derivative of ln of 6 over x would be 1 over 6 over x times the derivative of 6 over x. That's what all this business over here is saying. Well, I can write 6 over x, I can bring that x up to the top, and this is the same thing as saying x over 6. And so now I just need to find this derivative. I'm going to write 6 over x as 6 to the negative 1 because that brings my exponent up here to the top, and it makes this easy to take the derivative of because it's a power rule. Might as well this step, the 2 will go in there, so that becomes 3. So I get x over 3 times this derivative, which is going to be negative, bring the negative 1 down, subtract 1. So I have x over 3. Well, let's go ahead and rewrite x to the negative 2, bring that to the bottom. So all I did was bring my exponent down to the bottom. And here I can see 3 will go into 6 2 times. So I'm left with, oh, here's something else I could cancel. This x can go in one of those x's. So I'm left with a negative, looks like only a 2 at the top, and then an x on the bottom. But kind of the keys to this is 1, the derivative of ln of anything is 1 over the anything times the derivative of the anything. And then the other big key was to recognize that you could write 6 over x as 6x to the negative 1 power. So then we just end up with an actual power rule.